Hey, what's up, guys? It's Sierra. I just got back from an awesome birthday party and got a balloon. So I thought I would inhale some of the helium from the balloon. That'll go funny, like. Ready? Hey. No. Not enough yet. Okay, so I love talking like this. I got the hiccups too. Fun. Right. So, question of the day. What was the funnest birthday party you've ever been to? Alright, so comment below and stuff. I'm going to church tomorrow because my church youth group is having this really cool revolution thing. Fun! Yeah. They're feeding us breakfast and everything. It's gonna be off the hiz. Okay, now I'm gonna laugh for you. No, not enough. Okay. That was weird. Okay, I gave Dee Dee a picture frame and some Bath and Body Works. Yeah. And I heard someone was gonna ask me out. And is this really hot basketball player named number 20. Alright. Alright, that's all. Bye-bye.